If your skin is persistently dry, cracked, sensitive, and your skin is mature, meaning it doesn't produce enough of the fatty acids in the skin, these oils have been proven to repair the skin's barrier. If you have oily skin that is dry on the surface, this may not be for you. So the health of the skin's barrier is largely dependent on the integrity of the stratum corneum. The oils that rated the highest in the skin's barrier repair are ones that actually had shown, according to independent studies that were done on hairless mice skin cells, so meaning not actually on human skin, but also on human skin. So all different types of studies. The best oils to help repair the skin's barrier is coconut, argan, peanut, sunflower oil, borage oil, oat oil, jojoba oil, and soybean oil. Basically, what separated these oils from all the other plant oils was the amount of fatty free acids, phospholipids, triglycerides, phytosterols that were in there. And these are basically some of the compounds that are higher in these oils that prevents tool or transepidermal water loss. So it helps the skin hold on to the water to prevent moisture loss. And this is the very same reason why these oils actually can increase breakouts or more oil in oily skin, because oily skin already has some of this in their skin. Now, argan oil actually has been shown to actually increase elasticity in the skin, which mature skin lacks due to the lack of not only collagen but elastin, which helps the skin kind of stretch. And it also helps with transdermal penetration of moisturizing agents such as allantoin. So that's one of them. The other one is peanut. Peanut actually has been shown, when put on topical application, to reduce UV-induced erythema. And soybean oil, you're going to see that, and a lot of times you won't see it as soybean oil in the ingredients list. You'll actually see it as glycine soja, and it basically has been shown to limit pigmentation or inhibit pigmentation formation by being a tyrosinase or tyrosinase inhibitor. So that's why you see that as a brightening agent. Now, a lot of people will put soybean oil alone on their skin, hoping to fade melasma and hyperpigmentation, and it doesn't really work that way, but it does help increase the brightening ingredients in a formulation. If you have dry, mature skin and you want to know what to look for in a night cream specifically for skin that is lacking some of these fatty acids, then check out this video right here. And if you found this information helpful, then please give us a like to let us know that this is the kind of information that you are looking for. And stay tuned for our upcoming video on best oils for anti-aging, because remember, makeup is an art, skincare is a science.